네, 사실 란데뷰가 마지막 곡이었는데
Actually, Rendezvous yung last song talaga.
우리 여러분들 파인애플 슬라이스를 불러주니까
Nung kumanta yung XOS ng Pineapple Slice,
못 가겠더라고요.
I couldn't go.
정말 언어가 다름에도 불구하고 너무 잘 불러주셔서
Kahit iba yung lengguwahe, ang galing nila kumanta.
사실 그래서 우리 여러분들을 위해서 또 선물을 준비했어요.
Kaya nag-prepare din ako ng special gift para sa mga XOS.
We are giving away 4 per section, okay? 4 upper box, 4 lower box, 4 VIP. Again, you can claim your prize on this side of the stage. You can also claim this after the show, okay?
Please.
Three upper box pala. 3 upper box, okay.
Kung di man papala rin sa...
2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 5.
Hindi po
2,
papala
3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 5. Our second winner, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 4, 2. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 4, 2. Our last one from upper box is 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 8, 4, 4. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 8, 4, 4. All right, 3 winners for lower box as well. Congratulations to 23096758. 23096758. Our second winner, 23102975. 23102975. And last from lower box, 22573761.
Ayaw talaga.
22573761. Okay, for VIP, we're drawing 4.
Ba't kanina sa kanina mas madami?
Congratulations, 22850749. 23006023. 23006023. Again, this is from VIP. Our third winner, 22850482. 22850482. Congratulations. And our final winner from the VIP section is 23202902. 23202902. Again, you won signed merchandise. Of course, signed by our genius idol, Taekyon himself. All right, at this point, we'd like to call on stage the chairman of Bench. Please help us welcome Mr. Ben Chan.
Tropa lang be ah.
Coming up.
Let's give it up for Sir Ben, guys. Okay, so Taekyon, you wanted to give him the shirt that you designed earlier,
맞습니다.
right?
Tama po yan.
Oh, okay.
이거 갖고 싶으신가요?
Sir Benchen, gusto mo ba yung t-shirt na to?
Do you want that, sir?
감사합니다. 네, 그러면 전달을 하도록 하겠습니다.
Alright, so I'll be giving it to Mr. Benchen.
괜찮은 회장님께서 또 의자를 되게 좋아하시고 의자를 디자인을 많이 하신다고 하네요.
Narinig ko rin na mahilig po si Mr. Benson sa mga upuan, yung mga chairs. So he really picks the chairs personally.
그래서 굉장히 여러분 왜 웃으시죠?
Why are you laughing, guys?
저 퀄리티가 굉장히 좋아요 지금.
Ang ganda ng quality nito, guys.
사진 찍을까요?
So we'll take a picture then, alright?
네. 그 조금 더 센터.
Can we move to the center, please? Mr. Benson, center.
오케이.
Okay?
Take a picture.
Okay, 1,
1, 2, 3.
one more.
Eh,
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much, Bench, for making this family possible. And of course, Tech for presenting this.
아, 박효선님도 같이 괜찮은 회장님.
Yes, yes, we're gonna do a groovy with all of you now.
With the audience naman.
With your band on the stage.
자, 여러분들 B 들어주세요, B.
Shall we raise all the B's, guys?
Bench and backup and best day.
nasa na yun?
Alright, count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi ba kami kita dyan? Grabe.
And for the second show, let's all shout, Beckham!